Hello students, let's do fractions, exercise 3C, page number 53. Question 1, reduce to a single fraction. So now we begin with operations, addition and subtraction. We have to add up two fractions to get an answer which is a single fraction. So now look at the two fractions given. They are unlike fractions because the denominators are different. Denominators 2 here and 3 here. Whenever you have unlike fractions and you have to do operations on them, you have to change them to like fractions. That means we have to make the denominators equal. So for that, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. So let's do that. Let's find the LCM of 2 and 3. So we begin with 2. 2 ones are 2 and then we bring down 3 and then we continue with 3, 1 and 1. So LCM will be 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. So this is our LCM. So let's write down this question first. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Now our LCM is 6. So you're going to use 6 as a common denominator now. Now look at the first denominator here. 2. 2 3s are 6. So we multiply 1 also by 3. 1 3s are 3. Then plus, we go to the next fraction. The denominator is 3. The 3 into 2 is 6. So we multiply this also by 2. 2 2s are 4. So 3 plus 4, which is 7 by 6. 7 by 6 is an improper fraction. We'll convert it to a mixed number. 6 ones are 6 minus 7 minus 6 is 1. So here our mixed number will be 1, which is the quotient, 1, which is the remainder, and 6, 1, 1 by 6. So this is our final answer. Question 2. 3 by 5 minus 1 by 10. So let's write down the question. 3 by 5 minus 1 by 10. Now since they are unlike fractions, we have to find the LCM of the denominators, 5 and 10. So let's begin with 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Then we continue with 2, 1 and 1. Now what is our LCM? LCM will be 5 into 2, 5 twos are 10. So let's use 10 as a common denominator here and get our new numerators. So the first fraction, the denominator is 5. It means 5 into 2 will give us 10. So let's multiply 3 also by 2. 3 twos are 6. 6 minus the second fraction, denominator is 10. So 10 into 1 is 10, and so we multiply this also by 1. So that is 1 ones are 1. So here 6 minus 1 is 5 and the denominator is 10. Now 5 by 10 can be reduced to the lower term. So we can divide both by 5 itself to reduce it to its simplest form. So now what do we get? 5 ones are 5. So that is 1 in the numerator, and 5 twos are 10. So we get 1 by 2, which is our final answer. So 1 by 2 is the final answer. Question 3. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. As you can see, the denominators are different. So we have to find the LCM to make them like fractions. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Now I can continue with 2, 1 and 1. So the LCM is 3 into 2. 3 twos are 6. The LCM is 6. We're going to use 6 as the common denominator here. So now they become like fractions. Now the first fraction denominator is 3. So 3 into 2 is 6. So we multiply this also by 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 minus the next fraction denominator is 6. 6 into 1 is 6. So we multiply this also by 1. 1 ones are 1. So here what do we get? 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 by 6. And here 3 by 6 is a fraction that can be reduced to the lowest term. So let's divide both by a common factor. And the common factor here is 3. So divide both by 3. So what do we get? 3 into 1 is 3. And in the denominator, 3 twos are 6. So our answer here is 1 by 2. Question 4. 1 1 by 3 plus 2 1 by 4. So we have mixed fractions here. Let's convert them to improper fractions. So how do we do that? We multiply here first. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. So what do we get here? 4 by 3 plus, convert this, 4 twos are 8 plus 1 9. we get 9 by 4. Again, we have unlike fractions. So to make them like fractions, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. So 3 ones are 3, bring down 4, continue with 2 now, 1, 2 twos are 4, continue again with 2, 1 and 2 ones are 2. So the LCM is 3 into 2 into 2. So that is 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12. So LCM is 12. We're going to use 12 as the common denominator. Now 3 fours are 12. So we multiply 4 also by 4. 4 fours are 16. Plus, let's go to the next fraction. Denominator is 4. 4 threes are 12. So multiply 9 also by 3. 9 threes are 27. So now we have 16 plus 27. Let's add up 16 and 27. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 43. So here we get 43 by 12. Now this is an improper fraction which can be converted to a mixed number. So let's do that. 12. Now get a number close to 43. 12 threes are 36. Minus, now we borrow from here. 13 minus 6 is 7. So here the mixed number will be 3, 7 by 12. So let's write that down here. So this is 3, 7 by 12, which is our final answer. Question 5. We have 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6 minus 1 by 12. So let's write that down first. 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6. Then we have minus 1 by 12. Again, we have to find the LCM of all three denominators, 4, 6 and 12. So let's use 2. So 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 sixes are 12. Again, we can use 2. 2 ones are 2, 3 and 2 threes are 6. This time we can use 3. So we have 1, 1 and 1. 3 ones are 3. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3. So let's multiply that and see what we get. 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. So this is our LCM, which we're going to use as the common denominator for all three fractions here. So denominator is 12. Look at the first fraction. The denominator is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. So we multiply 1 also by 3. 1 threes are 3 plus, go to the next one. Next denominator is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. So we multiply 5 into 2. 5 twos are 10. Next one. The last fraction, denominator is 12 and 12 ones are 12. So we multiply this by 1. 1 ones are 1. So here we have 3 plus 10 minus 1. Now 3 has a plus sign. So when we have plus and minus together, do the plus first, do the addition first. So add up the numbers which have the plus sign. So both these numbers have the plus sign. So 3 plus 10 is 13. Then 13. So here we get 13. 13 minus 1, what do we get? 13 minus 1 is 12. And here in the denominator also we have 12. 12 by 12 is equal to 1. So the answer to this question is 1. Question 6. So here we have fractions and a whole number. So let's write that down first. So 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 plus 3 minus 1 by 5. So this whole number 3 will give it a denominator 1. Now let's find the LCM of the denominators. What are all the denominators? 3, 5, 1 and 5. Now 1 we don't have to include and 5 is repeated, so we just have to write it once. That means we have to find the LCM of only 3 and 5. So let's do that. LCM of 3 and 5, we can use 3. 3 ones are 3 and then you bring down 5 and then now you divide it by 5, 1 and 5 ones are 5. So the LCM here will be 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. So that we're going to use as the common denominator for all the 4 fractions. So we have 15 here. Take the first fraction, denominator is 3. 3 5s are 15. So multiply 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus, go to the next fraction, 5. 5 3s are 15. So multiply 3 also by 3. 3 3s are 9. Let's go to the next fraction. Denominator is 1. 1 into 15 is 15. So multiply 3 into 15. 15 3s are 45. Minus the last fraction, denominator is 5. So 5 3s are 15. So multiply 1 also by 3. 1 3s are 3. Okay, now look out for all the plus signs and the minus signs. So here we have plus 10 and plus 45. So first let's add up the numbers with a plus sign. So when we add up the numbers with a plus sign, what do we get? So when signs are the same, put the same sign and add 10 plus 45 is 55. Now let's take up the numbers with a minus sign. Minus 9 and minus 3. Again, when signs are the same, put the same sign and add 9 plus 3 is 12. So, and then denominator is 15. So here what do we have? 55 minus 12. So let's do that. 55 minus 12. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 5 minus 1 is 4. So here what do we have? 43 by 15, which is an improper fraction which can be converted to a mixed number. So let's divide 43 by 15. So we have to get a number close to 43. 15 3s are 45. It is bigger. So we'll have to go for 15 2s are 30. 15 2s are 30. 3, 1. So our mixed number here will be 2, which is a quotient, then the remainder, and then the divisor. 2 13 by 15. So let's write that down. 2 13 by 15, which is our final answer. Question 7. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10. So again, unlike fractions, so let's find the LCM of the denominators. 3, 5 and 10. Let's divide with 3 first. 3 1s are 3, then we have 5 and 10. Now we can go on to 5. We can use 5. 1, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Now we can use 2. 1, 1 and 2 1s are 2. So what is our LCM here? 3 into 5 into 2. So 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So the LCM is 30. We're going to use that. So 30 is the common denominator. Let's go to the first fraction. Denominator is 3. 3 into 10 is 30. So we multiply 2 by 10. 2 into 10 is 20. Minus, go to the next fraction. 5 into what is 30? 5 into 6. So multiply this also by 6. 1 6s are 6. Let's go to the third one. 10 into what is 30? Into 3. So multiply this also by 3. 1 into 3 is 3. So here now we have 20, which has a plus sign. Minus 6 plus 3. Let's add up the numbers with a plus sign. 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3 is 23. And then we have minus 6 by 30. So let's minus that and see. 23 minus 6. So here we borrow. 13 minus 6 is 7 and then we have 1. So this is 17 by 30. So this is our final answer, 17 by 30. Question 8. Here we have mixed numbers. So first step is we are going to convert them. So let's multiply. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is 5 by 2 plus, multiply here, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So 7 by 3 minus 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. So that is 5 by 4. So let's find the LCM of the denominators. 2, 3 and 4. Let's begin with 2. So 2 1s are 2. Then we have 3. 2 2s are 4. Then we continue again with 2, 1, 3 and 1. Now we continue with 3. 1, 1 and 1. So what is the LCM? The LCM is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So the LCM is 12. We're going to use that now. And all denominators will now become 12. So 2 into what is 12? 2 into 6. So multiply 5 also into 6. 5 6 are 30 plus 3 into 4. So 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. Minus 4 into 3 is 12. So 5 into 3 is 15. So we have 30, which has a plus sign, plus 28 minus 15. So add up these two numbers. 30 plus 28 is 58. 58 minus 15. 8 minus 5 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. So what do we get here? We get 43 by 12, which is an improper fraction. Let's convert it. So let's divide 43 by 12. 12 threes are 36 minus, let's borrow, 13 minus 6 is 7. So our mixed number will be 3, 7 by 12. So let's write that down. 3, 7 by 12 is our final answer. Question 9. Let's convert these mixed numbers. 8 twos are 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 by 8 minus 6 twos are 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 6 plus 4 fours are 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 by 4. So let's find the LCM. 8, 6 and 4. Let's use 2 here. 2 fours are 8, 3s are 6, 2 twos are 4. Continue with 2. 2 twos are 4, 3 and 1. Again with 2, 1, 3 and 1. Now use 3, 1, 1 and 1. So what is the LCM here? The LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this will be 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 threes are 24. So the LCM here is 24. Now all denominators have now become 24. How did that happen? When you multiply 8 threes, it's 24. Now multiply 21 into 3. So let's do that. 21 into 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we have 63 here minus 6 into what is 24? 6 fours are 24. Let's multiply. 6 fours are 24. So 13 into 4. So let's multiply 13 into 4. 4 threes are 12. Carry 1. 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5. Minus 52. Plus, put the next one. Denominators 4. 4 sixes are 24. So multiply 19 into 6. So 19 into 6. 6 nines are 54, carry 5, 6 ones are 6 plus 5 is 11. So that is 114. So 114. So now we have 63 with a plus sign, minus 52 and plus 114. So let's add up the numbers with a plus sign. These are the two numbers. So that is 63 and 114. Let's add it up. 3 plus 4, 7. 6 plus 1, 7 and 1, 177 minus 52. So 177 minus 52. So 7 minus 2 is 5 and 7 minus 5 is 2 and 1. So we have 125 by 24. 125, 24. So this is an improper fraction. Let's convert that to a mixed number. So let's divide 125 by 24. So now we have to get a number close to 125. Let's try 24 into 5. 5 fours are 20, carry 2, 5 twos are 10, 11, 12. So 120. We can use this. 24 into 5 is 120 minus, we have 5, 0, 0. So our mixed number here is 5, the quotient, 5, the remainder, and the denominator is the divisor, 5 by 24. So our final answer, 5 by 24. Question 2, simplify. So now we have multiplication. So let's do that. 3 by 4 into 6 and we'll give it a denominator 1. So multiplication, the rules are different. We don't have to find the LCM. Instead, we can cancel certain numbers. So what we're doing is actually reducing it to the lowest term. So here, remember, we can only cancel a numerator and a denominator, either of the same fraction or of different fractions. So here, if you look carefully, we can cancel 4 and 6 by a common number. 4 and 6 are even numbers, so both are divisible by 2. Let's divide both by 2. So 2 2's are 4 and 2 3's are 6. Now there's nothing more that we can cancel. So we'll multiply the numerators. 3 into 3. Okay, so that is 3 into 3, and in the denominator we have 2 into 1. 2 into 1. So what do we have? 3 3's are 9 and 2 1's are 2. 9 by 2, which we can convert to a mixed number. Divide 9 by 2. 2 4's are 8 minus 1. So our mixed number here will be 4, which is the whole number, the remainder and the divisor. So 4 1 by 2 is our answer. Question 2, 2 by 3 into 15. So 2 by 3 into 15 by 1. So let's cancel. We can cancel 3 and 15. 3 1's are 3 and 3 5's are 15. So what do we have in the numerator? Numerator we have 2 into 5, and in the denominator we have 1 into 1. 2 5's are 10, 1 1's are 1. 10 by 1 is equal to 10. So this is our answer. Question 3. 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. Now what is it that we can cancel? We cannot cancel 2 and 4 because both are in the denominator. One should be in the denominator and one should be in the numerator. So here there's nothing we can cancel. So we have to multiply the numerators 3 into 1 and the denominators 4 into 2. So 3 1's are 3 and 4 2's are 8. So this is our answer, 3 by 8. Question 4. 9 by 12 into 4 by 7. Okay, here we can cancel 4 and 12 both by 4 itself. So 4 1's are 4 and 4 3's are 12. Now I can cancel 3 and 9 of the same fraction because one is in the numerator and one is in the denominator. So 3 1's are 3 and 3 3's are 9. Now what do we have in the numerator? In the numerator we have 3 into 1, and in the denominator we have 1 into 7. So here 3 1's are 3, 1 7's are 7. So our answer is 3 by 7. Question 5. 45, we'll make it 45 by 1 into, now let's multiply and convert this to an improper fraction. 3 2's are 6, now add plus 1 7. 7 by 3. Now here we can cancel 45 and 3. 3 1's are 3. 3 into 15 is 45. So now there's nothing more that we can cancel. So our numerator will be 15 into 7, and in our denominator we have 1 into 1. So let's multiply 15 into 7. 7 5's are 35, carry 3. 7 1's are 7, 8, 9, 10, 105. So here we have 105 by 1. This is equal to 105, which is our answer. 36 into 3 1 by 4. So let's write 36 by 1 into, now let's convert, 4 3's are 12 plus 1 is 13. So that is 13 by 4. Now here we can cancel 4 and 36. 4 1's are 4 and 4 9's are 36. So what do we have in the numerators? We have 9 into 13, and in the denominator we have 1 into 1. So let's multiply 13 into 9. 9 3's are 27, carry 2. 9 1's are 9, 10, 11, 117. So here we have 117 by 1. So our final answer is 117. So this is our final answer. Question 7. 2 divided by 1 by 3. So that is 2 by 1 divided, this time it's division, divided by 1 by 3. So this will be 2 by 1. Division changes to multiplication, and we write the reciprocal of 1 by 3, that is 3 by 1. So what do we have here? We have 2 into 3 in the numerator. In the denominator we have 1 into 1. So 2 3's are 6, 1 1's are 1. So final answer here is 6 by 1 or 6. Question 8. 3 by 1 divided by 2 by 5. So we'll write this as 3 by 1. Division changes to multiplication. 2 by 5 we write it as 5 by 2, the reciprocal. Now we can multiply the numerators. You can write it out separately or you can straight away multiply. 3 5's are 15, and in the denominator we multiply 1 into 2, 1 2s are 2. So here we have 15 by 2. This is an improper fraction. Let's convert it to a mixed number. 2 7s are 14 minus 1. So here we can write this as 7 1 by 2. So our final answer here is 7 1 by 2. Question 9. So this is 1, that is 1 1 by 1. Division changes to multiplication and 3 by 5 becomes 5 by 3. So here what do we have in the numerator? We have 1 into 5 and in the denominator we have 1 into 3. So 1 5s are 5 and 1 3s are 3. This is an improper fraction. Convert this to a mixed number. Divide 5 by 3. 3 1s are 3 minus 2. So what do we have here? 1 2 by 3. So what's the final answer here? 1 2 by 3. Question 10. 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 4. So 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 4. That is 1 by 3 into, division changes to multiplication, 1 by 4 becomes 4 by 1. Now is there something we can cancel? We can't. We simply multiply the numerators. 1 into 4, 1 4s are 4 and the denominators 3 1s are 3. So we have 4 by 3, which is an improper fraction. Make it a mixed number. 3 1s are 3 minus 1. So this is 1 is our quotient, 1 by 3. So here 1 1 by 3 is our final answer. Question 11. Minus 5 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. So this is minus 5 by 8. Division changes to multiplication. 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 3. Now here what can we cancel? We can cancel 4 and 8. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So here in the numerator we have minus 5 into 1 and in the denominator we have 2 into 3. So let's multiply that. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. 5 1s are 5. 2 3s are 6. The answer is minus 5 by 6. Question 12. 3 3 by 7 divided by 1 1 by 14. So here first let's convert. 7 3s are 21 plus 3 is 24. So 24 by 7 divided by, let's convert here, 14 1s are 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 by 14. So this is 24 by 7. Division changes to multiplication. 15 by 14 will be 14 by 15. We are writing the reciprocal. Now here what can we cancel? We can cancel 7 and 14. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. We can also cancel 24 and 15. Both are divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are 24. Now there's nothing else that we can cancel. We have to multiply the numerators, which is 8 into 2 and the denominators 1 into 5. So 8 2s are 16, 1 5s are 5. So divide 16 by 5. 5 3s are 15 minus 6 minus 5 is 1, 0. So here what is our mixed number? 3 1 by 5. So here let's write it down. 3 1 by 5 is our final answer. Question 13. Now here we have multiplication of 3 numbers. We have mixed fractions as well as a proper fraction. So first let's convert this. 4 3s are 12 plus 3 is 15. So this is 15 by 4 into, let's convert here, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 is 6. So that becomes 6 by 5 into 20 by 21. Okay, now let's cancel any numerator and denominator. I can cancel 5 and 20. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. I can also cancel 4 and 4. 4 1s are 4, this 4, 4 1s are 4. Now what else can I cancel? I can cancel 6 and 21. Both are there in the tables of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Now is there anything else that we can cancel? No, that's it. So let's write what we have in the numerator. We have 15 into 2 into 1. That's what we have in the numerator. Denominator we have 1 into 7. and there's nothing more that we can cancel. So let's simply multiply straight away. 15 twos are 30, 30 ones are 30. So our numerator is 30. Denominator we have 1 ones are 1, 1 sevens are 7. So 30 by 7. Now this we can convert, divide 30 by 7. 7 fours are 28 minus 2. So here what do we have? 4, 2 by 7. So let's write that down here. We can write down 4 2 by 7 here. So this is 4 2 by 7. So that is our final answer, 4 2 by 7. So children, will stop with this for now. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.